Hey everybody, it is Dr. Tim Harrigan and Kirsten. We want to go over what a niacin flush is. One of our formulas we use, it's a B complex, and it's absorbed so well because of the delivery system that's in there. It's not uncommon to get a niacin flush. Now, what do you know about niacin flushes?
A lot of people, if they're unaware of what it is, they think they're having an allergic reaction. The first time it happened to me, that's what I thought. You get a little flush, warm, can get a little itchy, but it's short-lived. It's a good thing, and a lot of people think it's a bad thing.
So for science purposes, I just took 3 of them. And usually it only takes 2 for me to get a niacin flush. So you'll see this hopefully shortly. We actually had a patient one time call us driving to the emergency room because they had this niacin flush, which is a total normal reaction. It just means you're absorbing stuff, which is a good thing. They thought they were having an adverse reaction. So there's reactions, but there's usually never any adverse reactions with anything we recommend. But all a niacin flush is usually I feel it in, my face gets red. Hopefully you'll see that soon, but it's like in my shoulders and my neck and behind my ears and in my ears. And I just feel this kind of tingly, warm sensation. So it's just blood flow coming to the surface. It means your oxygen and blood flow is just getting a little bit better temporarily. Usually lasts around 5 to maybe 20 minutes usually. If this happens to you, it's totally normal. Don't freak out. Don't drive to the emergency room. Let us know if you do have that, but it's not a big deal. And maybe just titrate your body down a little bit. I know you can take a lot more than I can without having it, so just play around with it, but it's not a bad reaction.
Sometimes eating can minimize it as well, so maybe taking a bite of food before or even during, but it's short-lived and it's a good thing.
Absolutely. All right, guys, have a good day.